texture is awful. This stuff's terrible.
What does it taste like?
It's got the smell and the beginning taste of banana. And so when you have that texture, it's just really weird. And then it's completely applesauce at the end.
Ew.
Yeah.
So it's like freaky?
Yeah, it is. I don't see this product lasting very long.
Now I'm kind of scared to try mine.
You got to. That's what makes you a grown-up, doing things you don't want to do.
Is that the time like that we tried the what was it? It was like pickled chips or something like that?
Yep. And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Like applesauce on the go.